Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Flip Furniture Mama. My name is Maggie and here this week project. I bought this two nightstands at Facebook Marketplace. Is out-of-date nightstands, need a little bit of work. It's all scratch. The drawers is solid wood. The drawers works kind of has a lot of scratch. This is sparkly wood, is from 1952, is a vintage nightstands. In my area, I don't know when the guys watch my video, but in my area, Maryland, everybody asks for nightstands. It's so hard to find a nightstands, and I'm going to turn this to out-of-date nightstand and a high-end look furniture. I'm going to change the legs, and let's go to start on these two babes. First I'm going to remove the hardware and do a good cleaning. After that I'm going to remove these legs to create a new base legs. Let's go to start. Start sanding everywhere with 240 grit sandpaper. I'm going to prime my nightstands with Zinsser Behr Shellac and primer. I'm going to use the roller and a sheet brush. Are ready to paint. I'm going to use Behr sharp paint in color white. I already load my spray paint gun. Of course, I'm going to use my safety mask and light sand between coats. I will do 3 coats of white paint. Let's go to paint. protect my base legs with polyene and matte finish and with a synthetic brush. I'm going to do 2 coats of polyene. I really love this finish on wood, looks like natural wood. I'm going to add some vanilla on the back for this sparkly wood not expand if you have some humidity or water. I'm going to measure my front door for make the holes for my hardware. I bought this on Amazon, and this is very cool. I have a hard time when I need to make holes for my hardware, and this is very nice. Tell you guys, I sold the nightstands in a couple hours, and the clients buy the nightstands once dresser mix and match with that nightstands. Here the before and here the after dressers done. Comes out so beautiful, and this set is for a beach house. Is so cool. I really love them. And now see the final work on the nightstand. The final work done. I'm so happy how these 2 nightstands and tables turns out. Was so out of date and now is so modern, boho style. Cleaning lines. Can you guys comment below what you guys think about this this 2 nightstands makeover? I hope you guys enjoyed my video like I did to make it. Please like, share and subscribe on my channel. That will be super helpful. See you next time guys. Bye.